జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. దశరథ మహారాజు fell on the floor. He is getting fainted. He is going unconscious. Again he is slowly getting up, thinking that the time is running out. Muhurtam, the good Muhurtam is almost there. Because he is the king of the kingdom, all the people are approaching his palace to awaken Dasharatha Maharaju. There are so many sounds coming out from conches. There are so many divine sounds coming from all the instruments to help Dasharatha Maharaju get up, because it is getting the day is coming out and the sun is rising. Slowly Dasharatha Maharaju getting up and saying, addressing to Kaika, saying that, "O sinful lady Kaika, I received your hand taking witness of Agni Devata. Whatever the hand I received, now I am giving up. I am leaving the same hand. From now onwards, you are no more my wife. From now onwards, your son is no more my son." O Kaika, look at all the sounds. Do you listen? All the sounds are coming. All the gurus, all the acharyas, now with all kind of ingredients, slowly approaching my palace to ask me to join them to do Rama Pattabhishekam. O Kaika, the moment I see that Rama Pattabhishekam is completely stopped, immediately my breath also is going to stop. I am no more going to be on this earth. O Kaika, whatever the waters, whatever the ingredients brought for Rama Pattabhishekam, now Rama is going to use the same water and all the ingredients to do my final rites. Like that, Dasharatha Maharaju is crying a lot. Then Kaika is asking that, "O Raja, do not speak all those poisonous words. Come on, get up. Send Rama to the forest and give this kingdom to my son Bharata." Then Dasharatha Maharaju, feeling like he is crushed under the grief, and he is saying that, "Rama, Rama, Rama, I am feeling like seeing you before I die. Ramam drashtum ichchami dharmikam. Rama, I am feeling like seeing your face at least once now to get some kind of console. Rama, I see no one is there on this earth for me. Rama, I am craving to see." Like that, Dasharatha Maharaju is remembering Rama and crying a lot. In Ayodhya kingdom, now Vasishtha, the great acharyas, along with so many other acharyas, carrying all the divine ingredients, slowly approaching Dasharatha Maharaju's palace. They are all coming in the main streets of kingdom. People are hoisting all the flags, and all over people are sprinkling the flowers. Everywhere dense crowd is there in all the streets. The entire Ayodhya is filled up with divine perfumes. The entire Ayodhya is filled up with all kind of dhupam, the divine smokes. Entire kingdom is glorified like anything and decorated with all kind of extensive things. Even Devendra also feeling that my Amaravati is nothing compared to Ayodhya. To that extent, Ayodhya is decorated to get Rama Pattabhishekam done. Ayodhya is decorated to see Rama is ruling that Ayodhya. With meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us do Ramanama Sankirtana. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.